Hello guys, and welcome to my tutorial. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to cut and sew a school uniform. Stay to the end of the tutorial and you'll learn how to sew this completely. So let's get started. So right now this is my school uniform fabric. As you can see, I've arranged it to the bad face. The good face is inside. So right now I'll go ahead to fold the edges. I folded it by 1.5 inches. Then I'll be giving, this is my button allowance. So my measurement will be starting from this 1 inch, which is where the chest will start. So this is my button allowance. I'm giving 1.5 because the school uniform fabric is not really wide. Assuming it was a normal shirt, I would have given 2 inches. Now we take the length of the shirt. The length of the shirt is 26. Then we'll add 1 inch for the folding allowance. We'll rule a line. So the next thing is our shoulder. We'll be getting the slant, so we'll take 6 inches, then 2 inches slant. We connect the lines together. So right now I'll be taking out the shoulder measurements. The shoulder is 15, which is 7.5. Add half inch to it. Then the armpit will be taking 6 inches. Then on my chest here, the chest is 33. We divide it by 4. We'll be getting about 8.2. So we'll mark it out and we'll add 1 inch allowance. So that is 9.2 here. So we'll be taking out, we're taking down 5 inches and 11 inches so we can get the shape. So we'll reduce here by 0.5. Whatever you get up, you reduce it by 0.5, and you replicate the same measurements up below. So you have something like this. You have a curve down here. So right now below I'll be taking 2 inches because I don't want it to be too curved. It's just a normal school uniform. So 2 inches will do. Then I've marked out the armpits and cut it out, as you can see. So now we are marking out the back of the fabric, the back of the shirt. You turn it upside down. Remember the 1 inch we left when we were marking the shirt, the front? That's what we are putting back here. I told you the measurement will start from that 1 inch, so you make sure you don't forget. Then the back will be longer with 3.5 inches than the front. Connect the lines together, then we cut it off. So guys, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel, like our videos, and comment. Drop your comments. I want to know where you're watching me from. Let me send you a special thanks. I really want to hear from you guys. I respond to every single comment on this channel. So guys, send your comments. I'm waiting for you. I want to respond. So right now you turn your fabric to position it the right way. So now remember we gave 3.5 allowance at the top here. So now we'll bend it over, press it down if you can. Then we mark out our shoulder again, which is 7.5 plus half inch. Then we cut it off. That ½ inch is very important because that's the allowance you use to join it. So right now the front will be a bit deeper than the back. We'll dip in the front with about ½ inch, then connect it down here. So that's it, guys. So right now we are almost done with the drafting. Just the neck now. The width will be taken 2.5 and the depth will be taken about 3.5 inch. You see, I measured the first one, it was bigger, so I have to reduce it. So you connect the line together and then check your neck measurement again. For this video, my neck measurement is 14, so I'll try and make sure that it matches. So after cutting it, I'll still cross-check the measurement. Be careful so you don't cut the back piece. So guys, as you can see, it's very simple. I bring you guys the simplest method you can use to sew your clothes. Just very simple. So now we'll cut out the top, the upside, and then we'll dip in the back a bit here with about ½ inch. Good. So now if I measure it now, you see that my measurement has gotten to the 7 I was looking for. Yes, which is 14. So that's it basically. Right now we'll be marking out the sleeve. The sleeve of this shirt is 9.5. So we'll be leaving ½ inch up there for the stitching allowance, and then 2.5 inches for the hemming or the folding. You roll a line. Then the bicep is 12 inches. Then we'll add 1 inch allowance. The width I'm using is 9. So the slant I'll be using 3.5 to slant it. If it was an adult, it would be bigger than this, but this is just an average schoolboy. We'll connect the lines together. So guys, if you have not subscribed to this channel, guys, please subscribe. You know, I bring you content. I bring you amazing ways to sew your clothes, to sew your trousers, your shirts, everything sewing. I do it on this channel. I give you the simplest methods you can imagine. So that is it. I think we're done with the sleeve. Okay, this is how it will be folded. See why we give that allowance there, right? So that when you fold it, it doesn't short. So now after this, the next thing will be to cut the back flap. The depth will be making use of 6.5. So you cut it out. So guys, I'll be leaving a link to the sewing of the shirt, the proper sewing of the shirt. This is just the cutting because I don't want the video to be too long. So guys, this is the link over here. Click on it and see you in the class. Thanks for watching. Bye.